I will cook some eggs for my breakfast.
Oh, darn it! I'm getting late for my meeting. What should I do? I want to eat my eggs, but it's getting too late. I know what I will do. I will take my eggs to the bus stop. That's the solution for my problem. I should hurry. Oh my god, these eggs are great! What is that? What is that?
Are you kidding? Do you know what is this?
No.
A super electric pan!
Do you cook outside?
Yes, I really like it.
How often do you do?
Well, once a month, every 2 months.
How do you do it? Does it turn to be hard?
Oh, it's really hard actually, because I can't eat the food. I mean, I always cook salads or sandwiches.
Would you buy a product which is wireless, doesn't need any kind of electric power and
Oh my
cooks
God.
outdoors? It's a frying pan, not just for frying, you can use it for other things, that heats itself and cooks outside. Would you buy such
Oh my
product?
god, I would buy it right now. Do you have it?
Yes, it will be launching in some months from now.
Okay, how much do you want?
Thank you for your time. Hello, do you cook outside?
I usually cook outside, so
How often do you do?
I would say twice a month.
Do you find it hard? How do you do it?
Well, I think it's very hard, and I wish there was a product on the market that would help me actually cook outside.
Well, I will say to you that we have such product.
Really?
And for your answer, I guess that you will be buying it.
Of course I would. Just how much is it?
It's something that we are defining at the moment. Thank you for your time.
Okay,
You
you're
cook
welcome.
outside?
Yes, I do.
How often do you do?
Like, very often.
Is it hard? How do you do it?
Yes, it's very hard.
Oh, okay.
Wow.
We have a product to offer to you that would ease the task of cooking outside. Would you buy such product?
Oh, yeah, I will go to buy that.
Okay, thank you for your time.
A super electric pan!
Hi, I'm here to present you the new electric frying pan. Its main characteristics are that it's lithium powered. This means you can cook anywhere, for example in a bus stop. Furthermore, it has an MP3 player integrated in the handle, as you can see. This allows you to listen to music while cooking. Moreover, it has an oil dispenser. This permits the cook to select the exact amount of oil he wants to cook with. With my vast years being an expertise in frying pans, I highly recommend this frying pan for everyday and special occasions.
So right now,